Hello students, so in this video we are going to talk about Ordner Zoo. Ordner Zoo is like a match the following students, but how to solve it? In this part, of course we are going to write the question as it is in our answer paper. So assume this is your answer paper, yeah? Now if we are going to write this question over here, you are going to write Ordner Zoo over here, Ordner Zoo complete. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is the question, we are going to note it down over here. But we will not match it like small kids. This you will not be doing. After writing the questions over here, the answer should be exactly in front of them. So once you have written the question, go through the answers what fits that particular question, and then answer should be written exactly in front of that question. Yeah? Now let's go. Now, while solving this, I'm going to give you meanings of this side and meanings of this side. Then you all can try by yourself and then pause the video, go and do your work and then come back, resume the video and then check your answers. You can do this. Yeah. So, am Strand in there. This you're going to write in the exam in your answer paper this side. And then when you're writing the right answer over here, in front of am Strand, write the right answer. Don't match it like small kids. Okay. So am Strand means on the beach. On the beach. In der Stadt is in the city. In der Bergen is in the mountains. In der Wüste is in the desert. Wüste, desert. Don't forget these words. Whenever you are learning any particular vocabulary, that's a noun or a verb, try to register it in your mind so that you can use it somewhere else also. Yeah. Auf Kamelen reiten. So, to ride a camel. Spezialitäten probieren. Spezialitäten is speciality. Probieren is to try. Like how Kamelen is camel, reiten is to ride. Zahnburgen bauen. So if you remember, in question answers we have written Zahnburger. So there you can just add N also. So we can build castles or we can build a castle. Depends. So Zahnburger bauen is to build sand castles. Bergsteigen is to climb mountains. Now you can pause the video, match the pair properly exactly in front of the question, write your answers. Yeah, in that manner you match it and then check your answers whether they are right. So am Strand we can Zahnburger bauen. In der Stadt we can Spezialitäten probieren. Of course we can in der Stadt normally we can try many specialties, of course. In the Bergen means in the mountain we can climb mountains. Bergsteigen goes there. In the third Bergsteigen. In der Wüste, in the desert, we can of course take a ride of camels. Yeah. So this is your answer. Next. Eine Reise durch die Welt. Durch die Welt, sorry. So journey through the world. Eine Reise nach der Hochzeit. So a journey to a marriage. Eine Reise in einer Gruppe, a journey in group. Eine Reise für die Firma, a journey for company. So, when you are doing a journey through the world, what can be the answer? So, let's see the meanings. Gruppenreise means journey with your group. Geschäftsreise is the office related stuff, office related journey. Geschäft actually means shop, okay, but it is a business related journey we can say. Hochzeitsreise, a travel which you normally do after your marriage like honeymoon. Weltreise is a world tour. Yeah. Now what will be the answer? You can pause the video, find out your answers and then come back. Eine Reise durch die Welt, Weltreise. Eine Reise nach der Hochzeit, a Journey after the marriage. What is that? Hochzeitsreise. Eine Reise in einer Gruppe. Gruppenreise. Eine Reise für die Firma. Geschäftsreise. Next. Eine Geschichte is story. Über ein Thema is about a topic. Thema is a topic. Geschichte is story, history. Yeah. Koffer is suitcase. Email is email only. Schreiben is to write. WRITE. Erzählen is to narrate. NARRATE. Diskutieren is to discuss. Einpacken is to pack up. So Geschichte, normally we narrate. So erzählen. So you can pause, find out your answers and then come back and check. Über ein Thema diskutieren. Einen Koffer einpacken. Eine E-Mail schreiben. Yeah. The next. So here im Meer means sea. 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 Im Wald is in forest. Auf einer Studienreise is for a study trip. Yeah, educational trips or journeys or tour which we say. Geburtstaglied is your birthday song. The meaning over here, einen neuen Ort kennenlernen. To try to get knowledge or to know a new place. Ort means place. Singen is to sing. Baden is to take bath. Segel is to sail. SAIL. Yeah. Wandern is to wonder. So normally you can pause the video, write your answers and then come back. Im Meer we normally baden und segeln. Im Wald we normally wandern. We wander in the forest. Auf einer Studienreise we normally try to learn and try to get information about new place. Geburtstaglied is singen, to sing. Next. Am Bahnhof is at the station. In der Buchhandlung is in the bookstore. Am Kiosk is a small shop. Generally we get tickets over there. Im Museum is museum. Bücher kaufen is to buy books. Zeitungen und Zeitschriften kaufen. Newspaper and magazines. To buy newspaper and magazines. Eine Ausstellung besuchen. To visit an exhibition. This is an exhibition. Ausstellung. Fahrkarten kaufen. To buy traveling tickets. You can pause the video, write your answers and then come back to check your answers. So over here, as you can see, Am Bahnhof, with the Am Bahnhof, Zeitungen und Zeitschriften kaufen goes well. Because on the station, we can buy these things. In der Buchhandlung, we can buy books, Bücher kaufen. Am Kiosk, we can, normally in a kiosk, we buy tickets. Yeah. And in museum, you can say eine Ausstellung besuchen. Means you can go for visiting or for checking out exhibition. Next, auf der Bank means at the bank. Im Kino, at the cinema hall. Auf dem Markt, in the market. In der Schule, in the school. Next, lernen is to learn. Frische Lebensmittel bekommen is to get fresh vegetables. Or here it is Lebensmittel, so they want to say grocery. Einen Film sehen is to watch a film. Geldwechsel is to exchange the money. So you can pause and then come back with your answers. Auf der Bank, Geldwechsel. Im Kino einen Film sehen. Kino is a cinema hall. Theater is something else where plays are conducted, skits are conducted. This is a cinema hall. Auf dem Markt frische Lebensmittel bekommen. In der Schule we can study, lernen. So these were your answers. If any doubts, message in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe so that you get all the important on time instead of forwarding.